Let's flip through February in my daily journal and we'll talk about some challenges with it that I'm dealing with right now and hopefully figure some solutions along the way. Hello my planner pals and welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I am Di, this is Creative Karma Design, and as I said, this is going to be a flip through of February in my daily journal, and I'm hoping this reflection kind of helps me figure out some stuff, some issues that I'm having with this journal. So I'm going to do a little flip through and then we're going to discuss why it's not working. Why it's not working. So for February, my cover page was stamped. This is Dollar Tree stamps. These are Dollar Tree as well. Yeah, and then I just coloured it in. I like it. I like it quite a lot. The 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and some of 6th, I literally did all on the 6th because I was sick in the emergency room with my kidney stones, and I just did a little timeline here of that, and then I wasn't doing anything. I was just resting and recovering, so didn't get to do anything. And then the 6th, this is from Planner Essentials, I think, stickers. And then I just doodled my kidneys down here. And that was about it. Again, nothing exciting happened. I love the look of this. I love the look of this. It's just, it's hard to come back to after the fact and fill things in. And then the 7th, I had my doctor's appointment with a nephrology. And this is washi tape shop, again, stamping, colouring in, and all of that, and having to make some changes in my diet. Again, 10th and 11th were together, so I kind of went away from, in January, I was doing full pages. This is where I started to struggle, because I wasn't having enough stuff to put into it. I don't know, it's just been a real struggle. February has been a real struggle. This year has been a real struggle. So I started doing like day, rather than a full day per sheet. I equally like this and don't like it. These are wrong, like Happy Planner wrong. This is washi tape. I don't know whose that is. And then I did this page. This kind of reminds me of my old style of using the whole page and then just putting in bits wherever and then using my stamps. This reminds me of the old style that I was doing in my classic Happy Planner. And I'm just like, if I like this and it was working before, why did I change? Why did I change? Because this makes more sense to me of the big, I've said this before, the big kind of highlight word of the journaling. And I love the little piggy sticker. I love the big alphas, the big numbers, and then the few little stickers. I like the look of this. It just took a hell of a lot of time because I stamped each day and stamped all the titles and then coloured in. But that's a whole other, yeah, we'll just discuss that in a bit. So this was when I went back to kind of day to half a page. And I don't like this either. I don't like this. I think I prefer this to this. It needs, for me, they need more colour. I love the big stamping titles, but they need more colour. So I added more stickers on the 24th and the 25th with some more stamping still. And I used a different colour ink. I still like it. It's just still not quite it. And then the 26th and 27th, I don't like the washi tape. I also think this is boring. And then for the 28th, I didn't even colour that in. So I don't know what the solution is. And as I sit here now, it is currently Tuesday, so I need to kind of go back in and journal about yesterday, which was Monday. And I have no desire to sit down and do it. What I want, and again, this is where maybe I need to just maybe I need to just decorate some pages and have the full page ahead of time. Because what I was doing last year, just so that you know, is I would have my planner tote. My planner, my Franken planner would be in here. Again, Catch-all Wellness. Journal would be here. And then I would literally have my spread that was decorated, and I would just journal in wherever. I liked that. I liked that. So let me get an example. So like this, I would just literally just journal in wherever, and it wouldn't matter because I wouldn't have to on the day, because this literally took like 20 minutes. On the day then, all I would have to do is just write in the morning, and I could do it wherever. I didn't have to be in here to do it. Does that make sense? Like, see, the more that I look at this, the more I miss this. And I think I'm going to try and do something like this for March, where the stickers don't match whatever it, and that's what I think I've been trying to do. I've been trying to be too matchy, because I could do something like this. I'm thinking about this as I'm going. I'm really sorry, but I just thought it would be an interesting process for people to go through. But I miss this. I miss decorating it and having the whole spread. And then I miss just writing little bits in it. I really love this. Again, it was just a great way to use the stickers. See, I'm just thinking now, I love this one. That was one of my favorites. That was a favorite. I'm just thinking now that I might just want to, for March, decide whether I want to go back to this or try and combine this in a daily format. The problem that I'm having is that some days I don't have a bunch to write about, and then other days I have a ton of stuff to write about. I've only done 2 days. Technically, I've done none because that's Saturday and Sunday, and my week in my planners starts on Monday. I think this is me giving up. I think this is me giving up right now. I like the idea of it, I really do, and it probably works great for some people. But I love the stamping when I have time to do it. That's not every day. What I want is something pre-done that I can then come to and then just fill in. Because again, I love the look of the stamps, I really do. But when I'm filling this out, I tend to do it first thing in the morning or last thing at night. And I don't want to be fiddling around with stamps at night time or in the morning, because that's when I'm on the sofa snuggling with my dogs. If you have any suggestions, then please leave them in the comments down below. Should I just go back to this? Should I just go back to this? This worked. Why did I feel that I needed to change it? Why did I feel like I needed to change it? Can you just answer me that? And again, sometimes you have to change things in order to realize what you do like. So, yeah, I think, see, the more I look at this, the more I'm like, I really like this. Why did I change it? I like doing the theme spreads. I liked decorating it. I liked writing in it. Why? Why did I try and change things? So I want you to let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions, any thoughts, any ideas moving forward from here, because I'm struggling with this. It's hard for me to put time aside for this because I generally do this in, like I used to do it in the morning and last thing at night. Those are the 2 check-in times that I have with my Franken planner. And it's hard for me to eke out the time in the day to do this and do the stamping and the colouring in and going to find the odd little sticker to fill in the space, like it's much harder to do it daily than it is to spend like 20 minutes and decorate the whole spread for the week and then just fill in wherever you need to fill in. This is easier. So my options are I go back to this, or I stick with this and just try maybe March and I just pre-decorate the pages in some way and then just journal in the day. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you think I should do because I need some external help. All right, I hope this crazy ramble was useful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and go watch this video.